Okay, so we are just going past the third field. See the lovely Doggo there in front of us leading the way. We're going to see a really nice view here. So I am currently located in Chesterfield in Derbyshire. This is just round the sort of back of my house at the minute. It's where we've always sort of taken the dogs since we were kids. It's a nice view of sort of Chesterfield there with a few hills in the background. Yeah, it's a lovely walk, especially in the summertime. Although it is a bit muddy today, but we should be alright with that. Okay, so we're going to go down to the bottom of this hill. There's a stream down there, so we'll check out the stream, see how that's looking at this sort of time of the year. What are you doing? This is our golden retriever. We've had him for about 8 years now. Name's Charlie. Alright, let's head down to the bottom of the hill. Yeah, it's very muddy down here. Unfortunately, we don't have our Wellingtons on, we just have our old bands. Had them for years now, so definitely not bothered about what happens to them. Just going to keep going here, and we're going to head right over there, top of that hill, and then we'll keep sort of going round and exploring. So there's the bridge. You can just sort of see it there. We're going to head towards that, check out the stream below us. Are we going then? Not sure what he's looking at. There's a few people over there, but come on then, let's go. Okay, so we got to the top of the hill. So that's where we came down from. Across the bridge here. I think I can hear a woodpecker. Okay, well I can't hear it now. Just gonna have a little wander into these woods, see if there's anything interesting in here. So yeah, I'm 100% sure there's definitely a woodpecker in here somewhere. Obviously, even if I was to spot where it was, probably wouldn't come up on camera very well. I don't know if you heard that, that definitely was a woodpecker somewhere. Just can't seem to identify it. It may have just moved actually. Okay, well, we'll have a look in this little wood area, see if we see anything interesting. If not, we'll just move on. Okay, well, he's just showing us his butt now. There we go. Hello, Charlie. What are you doing, eh? Okay, let's see where he wants to go. Okay, so we are currently being held up because Charlie has lost the ball that he found. Oh, you got it. There we go. Okay, we can now continue. So yeah, obviously if you're new to the channel, this will probably be one of the first videos that's put up. As you can see, it's more just like a nature vlog type of channel. If you're seeing this video for the first time and you're into gaming, we do have a gaming channel. It's TDLO TheDaykinLifeOdyssey. Got a few decent videos up there, so if you're wanting to check that out, then check it out. We have there's a nice view here actually. Usually a lot of people would, if they turn around, shout their dogs to come with them. I don't need to do that. I know Charlie will follow me over here. I'm 100% sure of it. So yeah, we have our other YouTube channel. Play games like Rocket League, GTA, Call of Duty, and just lots of other games really. We're not sticking to any specific games, we're just playing all different types of games. So if you do want to check that out, there will be a link in the description. But we'll also be getting a lot more videos out on this channel as well. Did he follow me? Now, let's go and see where he is. There he is. Not worried at all. He's very obedient, very good. Let's see what he's doing. Oh, what are you doing? Yep, so it is the 28th of February today. Still technically in winter, but the sun is out and yeah, it's actually quite warm in the sun right now. Yes. What are you doing? Hey? Okay. There's a few more things to see, so let's go straight on to the next place. Okay, so I just come across another field there, into some woods. I wasn't filming them because there's a few people around. Made it a little bit more difficult to film, but here is a main road, so we're going to be very careful with Charlie. Sorry, not a main road, just a road, more of a countryside road if anything. This isn't the way we're actually going to go here, but we're just going to have a quick look. Charlie, come here. So this is the Chesterfield golf course. As you can see, just looks like a golf course, really, doesn't it? So I know there's a nice view of Chesterfield, and I'm definitely going to try and get that for you guys because it's really nice, especially on a day like this. You can sort of see everything of Chesterfield town. So yeah, we're going to walk to that over the golf course. Obviously there's nothing going on the golf course at the minute, with everybody still in lockdown, unfortunately. Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll just skip now until we get to the view, or if we see anything else along the way. So we're not at the view yet. We'll just be walking through these woods, another woods. This is actually the back of Tapton House woods. We're gonna go through the back here. I'm pretty sure there is an entrance here. Yeah, let's go through here. There might be a lot more noise in here, a lot more activity. But I'll keep filming throughout. So it's a very muddy path here right now. It was quite under trees, so as you can imagine, it's definitely not drying up there anytime soon. So we're nearly there at the couple of bits that I wanted to show you guys. I want to show you Tapton House and also show you the view of Chesterfield. Anyone watching this video and you are from Chesterfield, let me know down in the comments whether I know you or we don't know each other at all. Just let me know, it'll be interesting. There's a nice garden area here. Yeah, so it's actually telling me to put the dog on the lead there. Don't really want to do that. But we're really next to the view right now, so let's check this out. Okay, so here we go. This is the view. I'm going to try and get a little bit more around, but as you can see, that right there is the crooked spire.
Hello everyone, thanks for watching that video. That was part one of the sort of doggo walk and the just observing nature and having a look around. If you did enjoy it, I will be putting up part two either way. If you like this type of content, obviously subscribe to TDLO and also check out TDGO, which is our gaming channel as well. But yeah, thanks for watching guys.